In this project, we will be modeling a bench vise, a mechanical device used to firmly hold objects in place during tasks like cutting, drilling, filing, or welding. It typically consists of two jaws, one fixed one and one movable, which can be tightened against a workpiece using a threaded screw mechanism. We'll break down the entire assembly process by creating each individual component, including base, fixed jaw, movable jaw, lead screw, and handle. Each part will be designed step by step in Fusion 360 with attention to detail and functionality. After modeling, all components will assemble them using joints and constraints to simulate how the vise works, showcasing the sliding motion of the movable jaw and the rotation of the screw. This will give us a complete understanding and functional digital representation of bench vise. Then let's start creating each components.